Hello beautiful people, it's me Larry and you're watching Tips and Easy Steps with Larry. Guess what I just found out? The SM Store is finally online. I just discovered the easiest way to shop online. All you have to do is open your browser, type in www.thesmstore.com.
It's very easy to navigate. There's a lot of ways to filter down and search what you are looking for. You can shop by category or browse by shop or simply type in the item you are looking for in the search bar. You can also check their promotions, events, and even the services they offered. The site will serve as a catalog and all the information you need in the product is in there. And if there's anything you'd like to order, click on the messenger icon to be assisted by a personal shopper of your preferred DSM Store branch. Confirm your orders and have it delivered right at your doorsteps.
The entire DSM Store is literally at your fingertips. Try it now and experience it for yourself. Visit www.thesmstore.com now.